Now, obviously, this year has not started off the way Haiden Deegan probably would have wanted, with only one podium in two races, and that being a third. Definitely not the dominant start I thought at least he was going to have, but we might have an actual answer to that in the post-race interview, whatever you want to call it, podium interview, saying, quote, "Yeah, definitely the boys were good today. I was a little restricted. I've got to work on this arm pump. It's something I really struggle with, but we'll figure it out. It's nothing." Now, obviously, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I've missed this in a question somewhere before, but this is the first time I've heard him talk about arm pump. And obviously, it's probably something that most of these guys deal with. Like, more than likely, it's a pretty normal thing to have the problem with, but if you're him, you're going to be the main focus, like honestly, with how many people left the West, Faulkner, RJ Hampshire, Levi Kitchen, Cochran, everybody that went from the West Coast to the East. He's one of the only big names left. I mean, obviously, there's Smith, and now Beaumaire is showing that he is incredibly competitive, but he is the guy that everyone was looking forward or looking towards as the championship contending main guy. And if you're coming out and saying, two races, one podium, 10 points down, I believe he's in fourth place right now. And hopefully this is something that you can figure out. Knock on wood. He is obviously the firebrand. Either you like him, you hate him. There's very little in between on that, whether it's because you don't like his family or whatever. Uh, well, hopefully he can figure this out. I mean, obviously he is one of the fastest, most competitive guys in the class at the moment, and you never want to see somebody, kind of flail around in fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth because they have bad arm pump problems or they can't figure out something is going wrong with the bike. So hopefully coming into A2 this weekend, he can figure that out. We can get a better start out of him, a more competitive race. It'd be great. I'd perfectly love to see him, Beaumaire, Smith, all in the podium, all racing each other from the start, not having one of them, you know, down in 15th, 16th and having to go through the pack. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Do you think he can figure out the arm pump? Is it going to be one of those things he's going to have the arm pump surgery like everybody else in the world apparently does now? You think A2 is going to be a better race for him? Are you excited for A2? Are you going to it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.